What day is today? What day is today?
ថ្ងៃនេះជាថ្ងៃអ្វី
Today is Monday. Today is Monday.
ថ្ងៃនេះជាថ្ងៃច័ន្ទ
What is the date today? What is the date today?
ថ្ងៃនេះជាថ្ងៃទីប៉ុន្មាន
Today is January 1st. Today is January 1st.
ថ្ងៃនេះគឺថ្ងៃទី1ខែមករា
What month is this? What month is this?
ខែនេះជាខែអ្វី
This is February. This is February.
ខែនេះជាខែកុម្ភៈ
What year is it? What year is it?
ឆ្នាំនេះជាឆ្នាំអ្វី
It is 2026. It is 2026.
វាជាឆ្នាំ2026
Yesterday was Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday.
ម្សិលមិញជាថ្ងៃអាទិត្យ
Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday.
ថ្ងៃស្អែកនឹងជាថ្ងៃអង្គារ
I am busy today. I am busy today.
ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំរវល់
Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow?
ថ្ងៃស្អែកអ្នកទំនេរទេ
I have a meeting. I have a meeting.
ខ្ញុំមានការប្រជុំមួយ
I have an appointment. I have an appointment.
ខ្ញុំមានការណាត់ជួប
I will call you later. I will call you later.
ខ្ញុំនឹងហៅអ្នកវិញពេលក្រោយ
Please send me a message. Please send me a message.
សូមផ្ញើសារមកខ្ញុំ
I will text you. I will text you.
ខ្ញុំនឹងផ្ញើសារទៅអ្នក
Check your email. Check your email.
ពិនិត្យអ៊ីមែលរបស់អ្នក
I didn't receive it. I didn't receive it.
ខ្ញុំមិនទទួលបានវាទេ
Please send it again. Please send it again.
សូមផ្ញើវាម្ដងទៀត
Turn on the light. Turn on the light.
បើកភ្លើង
Turn off the light. Turn off the light.
បិទភ្លើង
Open the door. Open the door.
បើកទ្វារ
Close the door. Close the door.
បិទទ្វារ
Sit down, please. Sit down, please.
សូមអង្គុយចុះ
Stand up, please. Stand up, please.
សូមក្រោកឈរ
Come here. Come here.
មកទីនេះ
Go there. Go there.
ទៅទីនោះ
Wait here. Wait here.
រងចាំនៅទីនេះ
Follow me. Follow me.
តាមខ្ញុំមក
Stop talking. Stop talking.
ឈប់និយាយ
Listen carefully. Listen carefully.
ស្ដាប់ដោយប្រុងប្រយ័ត្ន
Speak slowly, please. Speak slowly, please.
សូមនិយាយយឺត
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
ខ្ញុំមិនឮអ្នកទេ
Please repeat that. Please repeat that.
សូមនិយាយម្ដងទៀត
That's interesting. That's interesting.
នោះគួរឲ្យចាប់អារម្មណ៍
Really? Really?
ពិតមែនទេ
Are you serious? Are you serious?
អ្នកនិយាយពិតមែនទេ
Of course. Of course.
ជាការពិតណាស់
No problem. No problem.
គ្មានបញ្ហាទេ
That's fine. That's fine.
នោះល្អហើយ
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
វាមិនសំខាន់ទេ
I understand now. I understand now.
ឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំយល់ហើយ
I don't understand. I don't understand.
ខ្ញុំមិនយល់ទេ
Can you explain? Can you explain?
អ្នកអាចពន្យល់បានទេ
Let me explain. Let me explain.
អនុញ្ញាតឲ្យខ្ញុំពន្យល់
That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
នោះជាគំនិតល្អ
I agree with you. I agree with you.
ខ្ញុំយល់ស្របជាមួយអ្នក
I disagree. I disagree.
ខ្ញុំមិនយល់ស្របទេ
Maybe you are right. Maybe you are right.
ប្រហែលអ្នកត្រឹមត្រូវ
I feel hungry. I feel hungry.
ខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ឃ្លាន
I feel thirsty. I feel thirsty.
ខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ស្រេកទឹក
Let's eat something. Let's eat something.
តោះញ៉ាំអ្វីមួយ
Let's drink water. Let's drink water.
តោះផឹកទឹក
The food is delicious. The food is delicious.
អាហារឆ្ងាញ់ណាស់
The food is too salty. The food is too salty.
អាហារខ្លាំងប្រៃពេក
The food is too sweet. The food is too sweet.
អាហារផ្អែមពេក
I like spicy food. I like spicy food.
ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តអាហារហឹរ
I don't like vegetables. I don't like vegetables.
ខ្ញុំមិនចូលចិត្តបន្លែទេ
I love fruit. I love fruit.
ខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់ផ្លែឈើ
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
អាហារដែលអ្នកចូលចិត្តបំផុតជាអ្វី
My favorite food is rice. My favorite food is rice.
អាហារដែលខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តបំផុតគឺបាយ
Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee?
អ្នកចូលចិត្តកាហ្វេទេ
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
បាត់ចាស់ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្ត
No, I don't. No, I don't.
ទេខ្ញុំមិនចូលចិត្តទេ
I need some rest. I need some rest.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការសម្រាកបន្តិច
I am very tired. I am very tired.
ខ្ញុំហត់ណាស់
Go to bed early. Go to bed early.
ចូលគេងឲ្យលឿន
Have a good sleep. Have a good sleep.
សូមសម្រាកឲ្យបានស្កប់ស្កល់
Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams.
សុបិនល្អ
I feel better now. I feel better now.
ឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ប្រសើរឡើង
I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well.
ខ្ញុំមិនស្រួលខ្លួនទេ
I have a headache. I have a headache.
ខ្ញុំឈឺក្បាល
I have a cold. I have a cold.
ខ្ញុំផ្ដាសាយ
I need medicine. I need medicine.
ខ្ញុំត្រូវការថ្នាំ
Drink more water. Drink more water.
ផឹកទឹកឲ្យបានច្រើន
Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself.
ថែរក្សាខ្លួនឯងផង
Get well soon. Get well soon.
សូមឲ្យជាសះស្បើយឆាប់
Don't worry too much. Don't worry too much.
កុំបារម្ភពេក
Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay.
អ្វីនឹងល្អប្រសើរឡើង
What are you doing now? What are you doing now?
ឥឡូវនេះអ្នកកំពុងធ្វើអ្វី
I am studying English. I am studying English.
ខ្ញុំកំពុងរៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេស
I am watching TV. I am watching TV.
ខ្ញុំកំពុងមើលទូរទស្សន៍
I am cooking dinner. I am cooking dinner.
ខ្ញុំកំពុងចម្អិនអាហារពេលល្ងាច
I am cleaning the house. I am cleaning the house.
ខ្ញុំកំពុងសម្អាតផ្ទះ
I am reading a book. I am reading a book.
ខ្ញុំកំពុងអានសៀវភៅ
I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter.
ខ្ញុំកំពុងសរសេរសម្បត្តិ
I am listening to music. I am listening to music.
ខ្ញុំកំពុងស្ដាប់តន្ត្រី
I am talking on the phone. I am talking on the phone.
ខ្ញុំកំពុងនិយាយទូរស័ព្ទ
I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you.
ខ្ញុំកំពុងរង់ចាំអ្នក
Where are you going? Where are you going?
តើអ្នកកំពុងទៅណា
I am going home. I am going home.
ខ្ញុំកំពុងទៅផ្ទះ
I am going to school. I am going to school.
ខ្ញុំកំពុងទៅសាលា
I am going to work. I am going to work.
ខ្ញុំកំពុងទៅធ្វើការ
I am going to the market. I am going to the market.
ខ្ញុំកំពុងទៅផ្សារ
Come with me. Come with me.
មកជាមួយខ្ញុំ
I will go with you. I will go with you.
ខ្ញុំនឹងទៅជាមួយអ្នក
Let's go together. Let's go together.
តោះទៅជាមួយគ្នា
See you later. See you later.
ជួបគ្នាពេលក្រោយ
Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
សូមឲ្យមានថ្ងៃល្អ